Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover deleted Instagram account. If it's past 30 days, once you have permanently deleted your account, it's quite hard to recover it. However, if you have temporarily deleted it or permanently deleted and you have that 30 days grace period, then you can just log in back by going to instagram.com or by just going on Instagram app and just logging it like normal, and you will bring up a menu that will say you are you sure you want to reactivate your account. You simply tap on it and get your account back. Instead, if it has passed 30 days, then it's quite hard to get back, but there is one way you can try to get the account back. Firstly, we need to go to web browser. Then on the search bar, click over there and search instagram.com/support. You'll get to enter on the help center of Instagram. Tap on option that says restore content that you have deleted. As my Instagram deleted time period has not crossed 30 days, so here I will tap on check your account status on Instagram. But if your Instagram account has crossed 30 days, then you'll get the option of restore content that you have deleted. Tap on it, scroll down, and here in the dialog box you can see was this helpful. Tap on no. After that, you'll get different option. Tap on other, and then you need to describe the issue that you are facing. Then tap on submit, and within 24 hours you will receive a response from Instagram team. Then they will guide you through the process and you will be able to recover your Instagram account. Thank you for watching.